President Trump has been on a historic tour of the Middle East this week. We're coming to you live for the MAGA Minute from Abu Dhabi, so let's roll through it. This week in the Middle East, President Trump marked a new era of American foreign policy, encouraging peace and prosperity through strength. President Trump announced a $600 billion commitment in investments from the country of Saudi Arabia, which will mean hundreds of thousands of new jobs in your communities. In Qatar, the president signed a historic agreement to generate an economic exchange with the United States worth $1.2 trillion. And the dealmaker-in-chief also announced a historic sale of American-made Boeing aircrafts and American-made GE aerospace engines to Qatari Airways. Finishing off the trip in the United Arab Emirates, the president announced more than $200 billion in commercial deals between the United States and the UAE. The president this week also signed a historic initial trade deal with China to reduce tariffs and to continue discussing opening Chinese markets to American-made products and goods. President Trump also secured a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, literally preventing a nuclear war. President Trump and Special Envoy Witkoff secured the release of American Edan Alexander, the last remaining American hostage in Gaza, after 584 days in Hamas captivity. And on the home front, President Trump signed an executive order putting American patients first to lower your drug prices and to end foreign nations paying cheaper money for drugs and ripping off American pharmaceutical innovation. Inflation fell to its lowest level in more than 4 years this past month. It was certainly a packed week, and we look forward to working with Congress next week to pass the one big beautiful bill, which means the greatest tax cuts in history. We'll see you back in Washington for next week's MAGA Minute.